In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Location Services. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!